Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the solar powered fountain pump. So with all my purchases I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then I will put it out. I'm going to be using it in a bird bath. You can use it in ground ponds, pools, stuff like that. Here's a quick look at all the things that should be in here. Go ahead and show you everything. Now some of this stuff I might not know exactly what it is. There is a little instruction manual that will kind of walk you through. The reason I went with this unit versus some of the other ones out there is because, again, I'm putting in a bird bath. I wanted something that was a little bit smaller. And this one, the pump is fairly small. Some of the other ones are a little bit bigger. There's the other ones that float around. I really didn't want one that floated around in the bird bath. I wanted something that would be smaller. We have a long cable, which is great because I'm planning on putting the solar panel in my flower bed and then I'm going to run the cable to the bird bath. So look at the solar panel. Hopefully you can see that okay if my camera will focus in on it. So basically going to be plastic stakes for you to lift your solar panel up off of the ground. The main thing I will show you is the different heads. Now these heads are going to kind of come into play depending on where it is you're looking to put the fountain. The reason I say that is somebody like me using a bird bath, some of these heads I can't use because it'll basically shoot all the water out of a bird bath. If you're putting it in a pool or a pond or something like that, some of them will be appropriate for that. Wow, so this one, they give you a lot. And all of these are basically just to give you different variations of the water splashing. And then we have one more bag of heads, and that should be the end of our unboxing. And then again, I'll give you a view of what it looks like once I get it out. Some of these I'm not real sure what they'll look like. So what I'll normally do is put them out in the bird bath, try all the different heads, figure out which one I like the best. I tend to usually go with something like that. It's less of a pattern, more so just shoot straight up. Or this one. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Let's get it put outside and see what it looks like. Okay, so I have the solar fountain put in my bird bath. I wanted to give you a quick look of what it looks like. It's funny, ever since I've put it out here, my dog just sits here and lays by my bird bath. He never usually does that, but I think he likes listening to the water. There's the solar panel. The solar panel is nice and large. It collects a lot of sunlight. Even when the sun is not out, it still keeps the fountain going strong. Right now I actually have some good sunlight, so you can see it at full blast. Now they give you a bunch of different heads. Again, this doesn't have to be used in a bird bath. It could be used in a garden pond or a water feature, but I'm using it in the bird bath. I chose this head because it keeps the water moving, but it doesn't throw the water out of my bird bath. So I'm hoping the birds will still come visit it. If nothing else, it sounds nice out here and it looks pretty cool. So anyway, that is a quick look at my setup. and how the solar fountain works. I hope the video helped.